how to turn on or off closed caption on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, okay, you can see here the closed caption. Okay, now you can adjust the closed caption setting to your preference. Okay, go to this and you can see here the caption control. So if you want to turn on the closed caption, okay, you can see the caption control here is off. So you can choose to set closed caption on or off. Okay, you can go to caption control and here you can see the option. So you can turn on or off, and also you can on when mute. So for my example, I choose on the caption control or close caption, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, go to caption control and select off, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off closed caption on Devant Smart TV.